Alright, we'll take a long signal at 91. All things being equal right here, I might take a shot at 91. Still waiting to see what happens down here though. Bust through 69 by about 5 ticks. You can put a fork in it. Watching against the low right here, watching volume. Still think it's got one more push down before it goes up. I'm not going to trade all day. Nope, never do it. I never trade all day. I usually limit myself to around 11:30. I'm too old to be trading all day now. I'd like to see it come down one more time and see if we can get a better entry point. Volume has been on the long side today. So they're buying down here. They're buying down here. I just don't know if when they want to send it up. So they're down here buying, but it could easily run 63, 62. I don't know. I'm watching this 200 bar line, thinking that if we can get through it again, we're going to go up. All right, here we go. See what happens. Might be a quick 10 tick give back here. It's been my experience about over trading. There was nothing there to take advantage of. So what I'm hoping for is we get back up here to pivot. And then if we do that, then maybe we have a chance. Give back a little bit of my gains. That's just not a good trade at all right now. I just giving money away. Yep, that's just giving money away.
Hey, I'm going to meet Kelly, okay?
All right.
I love you.
Love you too, baby. All right, how far we break 69 here? Broke it by 1 tick. There it is right there. Take a shot against the low. Use the old low. 69. All right, not willing to give any extra to the market today. Moving to break even. Freckle, get up there. All right, locked and loaded. Last trade. This is 5. No, I'm done today. Done, done, done. Put a fork in me. I'm done. 5 trades on day. Will not take another. So what do I need? Let's lock in 75. It either wants to run or not, coming off the lows. If it doesn't, I'm out. All right, so 57. I think 57 wins it for me now. What was about at 450? 31,450 less 32,000. 55, 50, yeah, 57 should win. 57 ticks from 73. $64.30. All right. That'll give us 30 ticks on the day right there at 63.74. I use this volume bar right here to go long off the lows. We only went down 63.69 to 63.68. So to me, it still looks like there's buying going on down here. My gosh, you guys are just all over the place, right? You guys like together, Kim and Devin? You guys know each other? Algo, algo, VY, press, slam, blah, blah, blah. That's all I see right now, Kim. As the market's going to go up. Up, 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 up. Watch it go up. Watch it. Watch us at 65 now. But if it doesn't, I still win. Oh. Heavy sells, heavy sells. Longs trapped again. Hey, guess what? Hey, Kim, the market's still going up. You're like a reverse barometer. Trade your opposite. Whatever you say I'm going to do opposite of what you tell me, Kim. Say it's going to go up, I'm going to go down. I'm kidding. You could obviously be right. I just joke. You know, one thing I know about trading after all these years of doing it is I know hardly anything. I kid with you. Because I really don't know what the market's going to do on any given day. I just do the best I can with what the information that's in front of me. We're going to protect 63.78 though. 5 ticks. Nah, we're going to hold it at 78. Take a 5-tick hit. Win on the day about 34 ticks. Or we're going to get our 32K. Move out of the combine. Same goal. Trying to get out of the combine. What I found out in time is the market can do whatever it wants to do on any given day. So I just do the best I can with the information that's presented in front of me. Looks like we can get through 97, though. We're going to go up for a little bit longer. So a lot of orders up there at 97. Look at that. 85's got, look at that right there. Ooh, just ate those up. It's 250 at 85. Just ate it up like it was chump change. Interesting. So we're playing along into a short right now, so that's why I'm just protecting. Take my 5 ticks and run. If it doesn't want to go, it doesn't want to go, because I didn't see the short trade at all. When it gets up through that 97 mark, watch out. VWAP 25,000, 20 between 63 and 63 slammed hard. It eats up that 97, man. Watch out. 63.97 had some serious contracts at it. It ate up the 85 like it was chump change, though. Let's see what's up at 97 again. Need to move up one more. There it is, 169. There's 169 up at 97. See if we can get through that. 128 at 64. That should be some fun to get through. Run the orders. We'll protect 79 now. All right, who wants to win this day at the end of the day? Orders, orders, all the orders are in. Ollie, ollie, oxen in free. Who wants to win today? The only thing I want, if I get 64.30 today, I get to move on to the next stage of this frickin' contest at Top Step Trader. Thanks, Devin. Get through 97. Watch out. I'm telling you, boy. We're going to see pivot, 64.02. And then we'll see what's above the pivot point. Honestly, I think we're getting up here, and we're going to see what kind of volume's up here. Kim, I agree with your assessment. It could easily sell off. But I think we go pivot first. Oh well. Sure like to get into funded again. Quit screwing around with play money. They have a new thing though at Top Step Trader. You guys hear about this? Where I was talking to James, I think one of the performance coaches or something, talked about it's a simulated live account that you can build real money into, up to $5,000, and instead of starting at zero, they're going to actually give you. Now you can request some money from it. So I'm planning on probably taking 1,250 from it once I get 5,000 in it, and start with between 3,750 to 4,000 bucks. And that way I have a little bit bigger of a drawdown. Instead of a $1,500 drawdown, you have, up to 5,000 drawdown, or depending upon where you want to start that. So I'm going to take some of that fake money and make them write me a check. Because you got the live simulator. So you're going to get the live simulator to use it. And they're going to put real money in on basically simulated money. I think that's pretty cool. But you have to get through FTP, and then you take the next stage, or step 2, whatever they call that, step 2. If it gets run in a nanosecond, it gets run, Kim. I'm okay with it. I'll finish the day up positive, right? 39 plus 6 more, I'll have 35 ticks of profit today, with the opportunity of the market to run. Because I think that it's going to gun and run that pivot point, personally. It might dip back, but I think the pivot's in place still. But hell, I'm always wrong. Don't follow what I say. I just take the best trade available and hope for the best. You're in a live, simulator, Top Step Trader. I trade at Top Step Trader. And then I go into funded account. I've been funded. They said I've been funded 9 times. I don't know. I know it's been at least 7 over 4 years. Not taking money from them. I like to build my trading strategy, so that's why I've liked Top Step Trader. Most of my money I still make in the long-term arena, meaning, out there on the swing trading, positional trading, long-term investing, buying, I actually like one of our best investments I ever made was a apartment complex that we redid, and we're still getting paid on that. My mom gets all the money right now, which is pretty cool. So all that money will be coming to me eventually after she doesn't need it anymore, or we just take our investment out of it. But it's kind of cool. Apartment rehab. There was a book that a friend of my dad's wrote, and I just kind of followed the advice behind it, and it was kind of interesting. There's the 97 mark. think we get at least a pivot. Let's go ahead and protect 81 now. What do we not want to see? We don't want to see 81. This looks like a launching pad to me. It's a launching pad for either to come down harder or go up hard. It's a launching pad for something. So let's lock in profit and see if the launching pad is to take up. Look at that though. If it gets up through, there's 120. They got rid of the 97 there. So the biggest one sitting out here at 6,400. So I think we get at least a 6,400 right now. All right, I'm going to protect 83 now. What does that give me? That gives me 10 ticks. I get my 10 ticks back right now that I lost. There's 64, 6401. They ate those contracts up like they were candy. All right, there's pivot. What's going to do at pivot? So I need about 28 ticks, 27 ticks right now to win the combine at this point. Let's see if we got at least 6430 in us right now. All right, 63.91 is our new stop placement. 63.91. The fricker will get there. 63.91. All right, breakpoint is 97, 96. We'll call it 92 now. Hey, we're going to make a little bit more money today. Woohoo! Did you see that pop? Real deal. Did you see that? Yeah, I just bought the dips today because volume is telling me that it's a lot greater on the one side. I ain't answering that. You can go to my voicemail. Maybe I'll get lucky. Come on, baby. I only need 25 more ticks right now to win the frickin' combine and move to FTP. Let's go. All right, all right, all right, all right. I think we see 97 again, but you know what? That's protected anyway. Either it wants to run now or not. I don't want to be in it if it's not going to run. 97 was old break point. I think it gets back here. Probably a stupid placement right there, but I'm trying to take as much profit as I can on this trade. Because I want to see it run quickly my way. I really don't want to see it look back. Look at this. 112 and 149 hanging out right there. Gets through that. Woohoo! Look out, Loretta. We're going up. I need 6430. That's what I need. I needed to get there. They need to get through the 10 though. Look at that. They pulled the 11. Somebody didn't like the 11. They pulled the 11. They kept the 10 on. All right, eating it up, eating it up, eating it up. Come on now, eat it all up. Eat them up, 93. They're still fighting that right there. 105. 100. Look at that. Look at that. They're eating it. Oh, damn it. Can't get through it. There we go. No, they just ate it. Good. Now, what we got above it? Ah, at 64.20, there was something. I didn't see it. It was 100 and something. Get up there to 11. Let's look. Come on. Come on. Get back up there. One more time. Let me look. What was up there? Come on. All right, we really don't want to see pivot again. So we're going to lock in as much as we can right now. 63.98. We really don't want to see pivot again today. At least on this trade. Can Daddy get a new pair of shoes today? $64.30. Thanks, Kim. I'm taking as much as I can, Kim, this time, because unfortunately, if it doesn't go up, it's going to come down really hard. And what'll happen next if it can't break out right here? I'm scared. The market's going to come all the way back down into here, and it's going to come in a hurry because it's going to complete a triangle and come down here. So I want to take as much profit as I can on the trade. This whole up move could be considered a Gann signal, is what I'm getting at. So what am I saying? Let me blow this up a little bit. We could be planning a short. 1, 2, 3, and then it'll come down hard and break down here. And I call it completing the triangle. It's taking too long to go up is what it ends up doing. All right, that's not too bad of a day. 54 tick day today. I'm going to stop there. Thank you, Kim. Thank you. Thank you. Well, it is what it is today. That's why I'm going to stop here, though. I was able to get within. I'm within one trade of getting to 32,000 and moving on to next stage. So I'm at 31,694 at the end of the day. I will not trade again. Moving into lunch hour here. It's 11:38, 10:30 Central. Let's just stop this video here. Capture as much profit